Oh, America's ass. Okay. Hey y'all, and welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier, and today we're gonna be reacting to a whole new series. We're diving back into the MCU, and we're gonna be watching Miss Marvel, right? Okay, so this came out like a few months ago, and so it's after Moon Knight and before She-Hulk. We're gonna do She-Hulk next in this slot. So finished Moon Knight last week. It's Miss Marvel now. Right, so the synopsis for this says Miss Marvel Studios' Miss Marvel is an original series that introduces Kamala Khan, a Muslim American teenager growing up in Jersey City. An avid gamer and a voracious fanfiction scribe, Kamala is a superhero mega fan with an oversized imagination, particularly when it comes to Captain Marvel. Yet Kamala feels like she doesn't fit in at school and sometimes even at home. That is, until she gets superpowers like the hero she's always looked up to. Life gets better with superpowers, right? Like? Sorry, a little, that just reminded me of Ice Spice.
You did me dirt, cause what did I do? Like, I fucked on your bro. Like, I cannot choose, no love in a snooze. Bitch, I am the one, so how can I lose? Like, swing on that bitch like a hammock. I'm doing me, she cannot stand it. Can't fuck with a nigga that stay in the likes of a bitch I don't like.
I don't know why. Don't worry about that. Okay, so that said, all I need to say, I heard that from other cities got some mixed reaction. I don't know. So, yeah, I know, but that's just another thing. It was like mixed. Like some people, it's like saying that people who actually watched it for the entire thing, they liked it. So I'm gonna watch it for the entire run. So hopefully I like it. And so I think that's enough said. Oh, right, she's Muslim member. Oh, that was already said. Oops. Let's get into it.
Finally, the moment everyone has been waiting for. The final chapter to my 10-part series on Earth's mightiest hero, Captain Marvel. Alien ships invading, Thanos being a jerk about magical stones, our heroes were done for. And
They were.
oh, Captain Marvel blasted it! She blasted through Thanos' fleet like a flaming angel. And you know what? She looked good doing it.
Yeah, that's true. She did.
Like, she punched Thanos right in the face. Sometimes, someone can come out of nowhere and do something amazing. 2-part series on why I think Thor is secretly a gamer. Remember, new episodes drop every Wednesday. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe at Sloth Baby Productions.
Sloth Baby Productions. Oh, she's getting views like me.
Hurry up, you're going to be late for your driving test.
Aamir, if you don't stop.
Oh, Scotland has a podcast on brand.
Oh, Kamala, my Kamala, the road is a long and winding one, so never fully stop at stop signs.
How about you start by turning the car on?
Yeah, not the shades. Turn on the car.
Anyone saw?
He saw. Oh, damn.
You set her up to fail, having her drive in the street with all the other cars.
Amelia, glad you're not bruising from that dodgeball incident.
Brand new day, packs too famous, cut too shameless. I spit the duck now, slap too big and say that's too weird.
Oh.
Many people fail their driver's test. Instructors focus on the tiniest things.
I crashed my cart into his cart.
Yeah, that's not a tiny thing.
That's on you.
Yeah, very much so.
I'm sorry, I really do love you.
You got any plans this weekend? Because as of this morning, Mohan and I are free.
I like your jacket. Thanks. I like your necklace. Thanks. It's actually my name in Arabic.
See you later.
Would it be super weird if we asked her for a ride to
Yes.
Venice?
Yes, it would be.
To drive us to school all the time.
Oh, they're former friends.
Khan, please come to my office ASAP. You've done something very wrong. I'm just kidding. It's crazy that the whole school can hear this right now. No, nothing is wrong. I just want to chat. Can't wait. P.S. This is Mr. Wilson.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson.
Okay, he's trying to be like the cool principal or cool teacher or something.
I want to say, I get it.
You get what?
Well, I hear you've had a hectic couple weeks.
Very funny.
Hey, that was good art though.
Space in your little fantasy land. Hey! Oh, really? We truly started the meeting 30 seconds ago. You gotta be with me, girl.
Yeah.
Was my father. My name is Gabe. His name was also Gabe, so doesn't super work. But
No, it doesn't.
you, junior year, it's time to start really thinking about your future. And you're gonna ask yourself, Kamala, who is that girl I see staring straight back at me?
I like that he clarified
You're sitting
after
here
school.
for Milan.
I am.
You are.
Oh, Mulan.
I see a girl divided. Is she there? Is she there? Where's Kamala?
See, I was thinking anger management, not Mulan. That's the reference that popped in my head. Do you know that song from Anger Management?
Burning hell!
See that pretty girl in the mirror there?
What mirror
Who
where?
could that attractive girl be?
Who, which one, where?
Such a pretty face, such a pretty face, such a pretty smile, such a pretty
Concept is pretty easy, but it's gonna take a lot of finesse and subtlety on your part. You just aren't.
I could be subtle.
You can be subtle.
I could be subtle.
I don't get that vibe from you.
It's like she thinks I'm some kind of, weirdo.
You are.
Maybe. Oh, okay, thanks. She is a weirdo.
And we're high-fiving in slow motion.
Yeah, they're weirdos for real.
Uncle's dead.
Okay, fine. How about a mashup? Like Captain Panther or Iron Marvel?
Ooh, Doctor Strange Marvel. I could be like, I could like wear a cape.
Cape? Cool.
Even like as Guardian, be badass Saagar, ride a horse.
Okay, I can't build you a horse, but
Ooh,
otherwise...
you could build me flat baby wings. That's very me.
Completely you. Wings, little tiara. Captain Princess Marvel.
No, Princess, I'm
land.
sorry, but you know what's even better?
What?
Zombie Captain Marvel. I could be like, I will eat your brain.
Okay, hey, let's never do that zombie impersonation again.
Yo, that was a cool shot. I saw that on Twitter.
What are you watching? Turn that off.
That was cool also. I like that.
Aamir, have you lost your ears?
This is so cool. Is this Nani's?
That is John.
Okay, so her family's Pakistani heritage. That's what I'm assuming because they flashed up Pakistan on it right there.
She's of gallivanting through Europe to discover herself. What does she have to discover about herself?
Good for her. I mean, she wanted to travel the world and she went for it. So that's cool.
This one.
Yeah, very much so.
Yusuf. Pati Cola.
Boy, you are. This is magic.
It's pretty cool.
Cool. This is absolute magic.
Hi, Bruno, beta. Hey.
Oh, that's cool. Big up Bruno.
Okay, I'll pack you something to go.
No, I'm good.
No, of course I will.
Hey,
How was it?
Just accept the food. Was it food she said? I don't know. Whatever. Just accept it.
Ask her. Just ask her.
Bruno, there's a spicy one at the bottom for no now,
Oh
okay?
my gosh. How did you do that so fast?
You stick to the gizmos, beta. This is my secret.
it's never been done before. It's like the first fan event celebrating our great heroes of our time, and it's totally historic and it's like very educational. And Bruno's he's like really into this stuff, so he really wants to go, and he asked me if I want to tag along so that he's not alone, because poor Bruno, right? He doesn't have much of a family. Look, I promise I wouldn't do anything stupid. You do trust me, right?
No, I don't trust you.
Of course she does.
Damn.
I don't.
Captain Mark.
Captain Marvel, astaghfirullah.
Hey, salam everyone.
Hero. In a very tight suit.
It's not that
Yes,
tight.
it
and
is.
you know it's not like I'm asking to go to a party and do cocaine.
Not a lot of salam here, huh?
You're not normal.
Oh!
I meant you're special.
Come on, Yusuf. Come on.
I'll talk to them.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, you look kind of
Thank
pathetic.
you.
Hey man, nothing wrong with having a nightlight. Watch where you going, bro. Sorry, I don't know why that made me so upset, but like, watch where you going.
And even though it will be a distraction from your studies and there will be a lot of haram going on there, Kamala, we have decided to let you go.
Really?
Yes, but there are special conditions.
Love that for her.
The Hulk! Wait, best is yet to come. Bada Hulk or Choti Hulk? So cute you all will.
And you can't come with me, not just like that, because it is so humiliating.
That was not the way to go. That was not the way to go.
And let's be honest, it's not really the brown girls from Jersey City who saved the world.
Sure they do. You're Kamala Khan. You want to save the world, then you're gonna save them all. With the right equipment, of course. Speak.
Okay. Okay, so I see that they're setting up a future romance between those two right there. Okay.
The Zuzu is possessed by the evil jinn. He needs to fix it. All Vilakwa Zuzu television. Switch it on.
If I can't leave the house to go to AvengerCon, I'll go to AvengerCon without leaving the house.
That doesn't make sense. What are you talking about?
This is the plan.
Kamala, you're the best sister ever. Honestly, you should have been an only child.
6:30 p.m. we catch the bus to Camp Lehigh. And it might be a tight window, but we're gonna do it with style.
Wait, is that us biking off a bridge onto a bus?
Dream bigger, Bruno. I learned to sew and you learned to airbrush. The cosplay competition. I win, obviously. Collect my crown. I'm assuming it's made of real diamonds.
It's definitely not.
Definitely not. Such an elaborate plan, it's not gonna work.
Maybe something Pakistani?
Oh, she's Pakistani. I was right. Ah, she's gonna put on the... What is it, gauntlet or a bracelet? The bracelet. She's gonna put on the bracelet.
Speaking of parrots, you just reminded me I have a biology report that's due tomorrow.
But beta, you gotta listen to me. What I have to tell you about parrots?
No, please, no. I don't want to do that. Is she...
You okay?
She really did jump out of her window.
Dude! How likely is it I'm gonna find it there when I get back?
Not very likely.
Jersey City? Oh, I'd say you have a 0.0001% chance.
That thing is gone by now. Oh, America's ass. Okay.
Aamir's out for the evening. Kamala's in the room.
Yeah, you don't want to see that. No.
Last call for the Captain Marvel cosplay competition. Cosplayers, please line up on the side of the stage.
Oh, she forgot the gloves. Oh, whoa. Trippy. Oh, I guess that gave her the win. Oh.
Are you available to book for parties? Do you want to take a picture? I'll tag you. I follow that, mostly.
Oh. Okay, so I see what, because she has stretchy powers in the comics, so that was them doing the stretchy powers thing. Okay.
Oh! Did that come on your foot? Are you okay? Hey, keep me updated and text me everything.
So weird. Please don't tell anyone.
Don't stop. Okay, I'd never tell anyone.
Never ever.
Never ever ever.
That's a cool friendship to have. 11-11. Oh boy.
Kamala. Where have you been? Oh, you knew what I was going to say tonight, huh? And you knew that it would betray me, but you still went and did it anyway.
Yeah, she did.
You want to be good, like we raised you to be, or do you want to be some, this cosmic head in the clouds person?
Oh, so is that a that or be good? That's not a real choice.
You think about that.
What kind of logic is that? If you're like some head in the clouds person, you're not good. Please, come on.
Cosmic.
Exactly.
जब भी बिखरी तो बिखर के सिमटना सीखा मैंने जब ख्वाब टूटे तो उनको पूरा करना सीखा मैंने कभी तो मैं भी नाजुक सी कली थी कभी तो मैं भी बाबा की परी
Is this a oh, there's a mid-credit scene. Interesting. Good thing I skipped ahead to look.
Check this out. A teenage girl at Avenger Con.
Avenger Con? A cosplayer with too much time on their hands.
Not this one. I've never seen powers like that.
Oh. Yeah, bring her in.
Ah, these are the people from Spider-Man Far From Home. Alright, so that was my reaction to Miss Marvel, episode 1. Right. How would I describe it? It was decent. Not a great opening episode. But it wasn't bad. It was just kind of how do I describe it? Like above average. Yeah, that's a good way to describe that. So we got some introduction to Kamala Khan. So our friend Bruno Carrelli, something like that. No, Bruno. Here's a brother Aamir, a mother, father. She's Pakistani. she got gifted some kind of bracelet, bangle, some that thing by her grandmother, which gave her powers. And so there is something like this thing that her mother has about people be living in fantasies. It definitely has something to do with that bangle. It's gonna come out in the next over the season. Yeah, I can almost like a picture that thing is gonna come up. What do we see in this episode? We got introduced to Kamala. She oh yeah, they did the thing about the what I call it. Oh yeah, Scotland and the podcast. They did the recap of the whole ending of Endgame with Captain Marvel showing up, and so she's a fan of Captain Marvel. She's a big Avengers nerd, and she used to be friends with Zoe, but Zoe like ditched because Zoe is like really popular on social media now or something. There's another friend who looks Muslim, because she has the I don't remember what she called. It's not the hijab. Is it the hijab? I don't remember what it's called, but you know, she has the head covering. And so I don't think we got the name of that friend, and if we did, I missed it. Right. We see that Kamala's really into arts and stuff, and she's a YouTuber. Her videos aren't getting a lot of views though. I feel you. Has a contentious relationship with her mother, but she's good on terms with her father and her brother. So they want to get Avenger Con. It's not working out. She asks her parents. They say no. She asks her brother to ask her parents for her. Her brother brings them around, but on the condition that her father goes with her. And he's dressed up as Hulk, and it doesn't look good. And so she has to go with the middle Hulk, and she's not interested in that, and it offends her parents. Yeah, like she kind of went too far there. What she was doing, that was not the way to go. But so they say no. Also that Bruno is like a tech wizard, stuff like that, and he installed this system at their house, so his skills are gonna be put to use later. Also, another interesting, Bruno and Kamala, they have like feelings for each other, which is gonna be expressed. That's gonna be expressed. Right, and what else? Her culture is being expressed in this episode. Muslim, they're judgmental. They have the set rules and everything, standards, and like that girl who called up for engagement and explored Europe, the aunties are talking badly about her, and so yeah, I get that. Right. So Kamala decides to be rebellious, and she go on the Avenger Con anyway. So she goes to the attic and she gets the bangle that her mother put away. She puts it on at the convention after they're having fun and everything. She puts it on, gets up on stage, and she gets like put into this like that thing in Doctor Strange, right? The dimensions. It's like she passes through a dimension and stuff, and then she's back to reality, and then she is trying to shield her eyes from like the flashing lights and everything, the phones and cameras, and so that activates her powers, and then like this like this glittery substance thing, and eventually that leads to her knocking over Ant-Man's head. That's the giant head that rolls around, causes chaos. It hits into the hammer attacks Zoe, and Zoe puts her up like at a great height, and she's fallen, and Kamala saves her, and she makes it back home. Too late. Mother's there. Mother is disappointed in her, and she gives her the talk, and Kamala is like, it's either be cosmic or be good, and like that's not a real choice. that's a fake thing, right? Being cosmic or whatever, being like Ed and the Clowns. Okay, it's not necessarily not necessarily like a great thing, but it's not like being a good thing. The choice of the word good that bothered me. Oh, the other thing that bothered me was Bruno walking in the middle of the street and not paying attention. Okay, I don't know why that bothered me so much, but like safety is a thing. Okay. Anyway, right. So that happens. Episode ends. Oh, and we see at the end the mid-credit scene. The guy is from Spider-Man. Her interest in her because she was captured on social media. Alright. Okay. It introduced everyone to a decent amount. We'll see if we see the character development. It shows a bit of the powers that it has, like gives her this thing, these projectiles stuff. That's what her powers are in this version. So we'll see how this plays out. So don't think I have anything more to say. Those are my thoughts. See you in episode 2 and bye.